All right, we want to convert. Now, they can use convert or they can use express. Okay? They said express 85 as a binary number. Fine. They did not give us any base. There was no base given. But look at what you need to do. I told you in my first example, I gave you where base was given, like base 10. This one has no base. Since it doesn't have base, it's automatically base 10. And the meaning of binary means 2. So what they are trying to tell you is that convert this to base 2. That's just the language. So since already this value is already in base 10, you use your what? You use your prime factor method. You bring your 85. Now, you want to convert it to binary. That is base 2. So how many times can 2 go to 85? Now, if the number is too large and you don't want to use your calculator, what you need to do is you use these two to divide each of the digits except the first digit, or the one you want to divide, is smaller than the base. That is when you can't do it. You just pick the next number attached to it until the number is bigger than the base. Okay, what I'm trying to say is that instead of me to just go direct 85 divided by 2, let me just make it so simpler. Now take it digit by digit. 8 divided by 2 will give us 4, right? Without any remainder. Since there is no remainder, you add the 0 in front of this 5. It's still the same thing as just normal 5. All right? What I mean is that if I have 0, 5, there's no point here. So it's same thing as just 5. Okay, that is what I'm trying to say. So there's a reason why I'm saying this, because of this place. There was no remainder. Okay, now how many times can 2 go to 5? You see that it will go twice. When you go twice, 1 will be left. So it will not be remainder 1. Now, how many times can 2 go to 42? You bring out 2. 2 goes to 4 is 2. 2 goes to 2 is 1. There was no remainder. Okay? You still come again. 2 goes to 2. 2 goes to 21. You want to take, but you check that the first digit is the same thing as 2, so you can't go. 2 goes to 2. Or let me use this word. 2 goes to 20. We give us what? 2 goes to 20, we give us 10. Remainder 1. 2 goes to 10, we give us 5. Remainder 0. 2 goes to 5, that is 5 divided by 2, we give us 4. No, we give us 2. Remainder 1. 2 goes to 2, we give us 1. Remainder 0. Then 2 goes to 1, we give us 0. Remainder 1. All right? So at this point, we say this implies that converting 85 in base 10 to binary will give us 1, 0, 1, 0. Remember, I'm taking this arrow from the down to the top. So I'm taking 1, 0, 1, 0, 1, 0, 1 in base 2. So this is how you convert from base 10 to a binary number. So it is simpler when you use this format to convert from a binary from base 10 to a binary number. So thank you very much. This is where we end this video. Thank you.